Hi, and thanks for joining me. For those of you who don't know, my name is Peter Lamont, and I'm a New Jersey business, litigation, and real estate attorney. And today, right before Christmas, I want to talk about something that is a little grinchy, not so pleasant, but I think it's something that we have to discuss, and that is what happens if, over this Christmas holiday, you are served with a summons and complaint. You know, I think there are a lot of lawyers out there and a lot of clients out there who want to serve lawsuits over the Christmas and New Year's holiday. I think that it can oftentimes make it more difficult for people to focus on the litigation, to get an attorney, and also some people out there just want to make somebody's life miserable by directing their attorney to serve a lawsuit over the Christmas holiday. Now, if you are the unlucky recipient of a gift that you just don't want to receive, right, and you get a lawsuit, what do? Well, I know that the tendency is going to be to put it aside, right? Let's get through the holidays and then you can deal with it. I'm going to suggest to you that you don't do that, right? If you unfortunately get served with a lawsuit over the holidays, contact an attorney. You don't need to ruin your entire holiday break with the lawsuit because you do have time to answer, right? In New Jersey, you have 35 days to answer the complaint. But don't wait to the last minute. Don't wait until there's only a week left and then you have to try to find an attorney and maybe it's not the right attorney for you or it's not the right fit. The best thing to do is to spend a little time, find an attorney, reach out to that attorney. And if they don't get back to you because maybe they're on vacation or maybe they're working from home or they're just not in the office because of the Christmas holiday, email them and at least get the ball rolling. It'll be so much easier for you to roll into the new year already having somebody aware of the situation, perhaps even retaining an attorney before the end of the year. And then when everyone comes back from their vacation, their breaks, and the whole Christmas, New Year's fog is out of everybody's head, you're going to be in a much better position to defend that litigation. But if you wait to the last minute, you are going to be running around, you're going to be paying more money because most attorneys will realize that you're in dire need of getting someone in to file an answer to the complaint. It just is not a good idea. I know, believe me, I know nobody wants to deal with a lawsuit over the holidays, but it's in your best interest to not put it aside, not bury it until, Christmas is over. Deal with it right away. Now, if you happen to have questions or unfortunately get served with a lawsuit and you want to reach out to me, you can email me. My email address is pl@pjlesq.com. And, I'm happy to answer your questions and to, point you in the right direction if I can't help you myself. I just want to take a moment and I want to thank everyone who has been a subscriber to the channel or has recently subscribed. And I want to thank you for, sticking around and for sending comments and questions and allowing me into your lives and answering questions and helping you as much as I can. I really appreciate it. I really do. As I said in my last video, I know I had taken a bit of a break, but I'm back and going to be producing new content. And I have a lot of fun legal videos coming up that are not so boring and focused solely on the law because let's face it, even lawyers get bored with the law. And I've heard so many attorneys tell me how passionate they are about the law. They're not. They want to do a great job for their client. And maybe they find areas of law interesting. And that's the truth. But believe me, nobody wants to sit down and just read case after case and lawsuit after lawsuit. My biggest joy in the profession is in helping people, either helping people get what they deserve out of, a contract or a lawsuit, or helping people close on real estate and get their first home or sell a home, or to just bring them as much justice as possible. It's tough, and we'll talk about the idea of justice in other videos. But that's the greatest joy I get, helping people, helping businesses get off the ground, grow, and succeed. That is I'm passionate about. But nobody wants to sit there and read case after case. And I don't want you to sit on these videos and listen to boring topic after boring topic. So I have some new videos coming up in the new year that are going to be a little bit more exciting, a little bit more fun. And I also want to, start doing some things that we haven't done before. Showing you what my office is like, taking you around, maybe even doing some videos that are more on the spur of the moment. From my car, from within the office, not something where I'm set up with a tripod and talking to you. I'd like you to get a better sense of what I do all day and the type of issues and situations that I'm dealing with, because in the long run, it's going to give you more information and help you help yourselves or help others, and just make you more aware of what the law and the legal field is all about. Before I go, I just want to wish you all a very, very happy holiday season, a Merry Christmas, and a great New Year. I happen to love Christmas. I'm one of those, Christmas nuts, like Charles Dickens writes about in A Christmas Carol. And I also like New Year's, because I really do try to make the new year a brand new start, to reflect on all of the things that have happened to me in the prior year, to see what I could have done better or where I could have done better for someone else. And I like to sort of just take stock of what we can do moving forward to make everyone's lives better. My clients' lives, my family's lives, my own life better. And it's a fun time, because I like to really take that, January 1st date and make it special and say, all right, we're going to start brand new. We're going to start fresh. We're going to build and expand and learn and grow. And I hope that you do too. I know it's very cliche, and I know that nobody follows New Year's resolutions, and there's 101 articles out right now about why resolutions don't work. And I don't necessarily make a resolution, but I do like to treat the new year as a fresh start. And I would encourage you to look at it that way too. All right, I'm going to let you go before I continue to ramble and rant. I want to thank you again, and I want to wish you and your family a very, very happy holiday season and a bright and prosperous new year. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.